Alright, so in this video we are going to take our revolved part that we created in another video and we are going to pull that into a drawing and create a section view of that. So we will open up our template that we created in another video for the drawing. Click OK. And because we have the revolved part drawing open, or the revolved part open, I should say, it recognizes that it's open, and so it offers that as a option to pull into this drawing right away. So we're going to click OK with it selected. And we only want the front view, so we're going to come in and drop that right there. And then click OK. Next thing we want to make sure we do is click on the view and make sure that the hidden lines are showing. Now in this particular part, we don't have any hidden lines that can be visible, just due to the nature of the geometry of this part. And when that keeps coming up, but we'll proceed. Next, we notice that SOLIDWORKS automatically adds these center marks for us in certain circumstances, like this time it did for me. So next, we want to go to, I want to click that first, and then Layout View. We want Section View. And the first one we're going to do is just this standard one here that should be by default selected. And it's just going to do a standard section view, which we click the center, and then we click OK. And as you see, it cuts the part right straight down the middle and creates our section view for us. Now sometimes this is exactly what we want, and that's perfect. Other times, and I'm going to delete that view because we want to show the other style sometimes we want to use, which is the align view. In this one, I want to come in, I want to choose my center point, choose the center point of this circle, and then I come down and choose this one. And then I'll click OK. And then I'll slide my section view over here. And so it shows us both holes. Now it's showing us the backwards view of this because of the arrow. So because we want the section view on this side, and we want to look at our section view cutting plane going this direction, we want to flip direction here, and it will switch the arrows around. Another thing that we can do, if you notice that the section is now B, and that's because we placed a section view earlier A. We can come in here and we can override that with an A, and it will change that for us. Just in case you decide, oops, I don't want that one, you can come back in here and create the new one, and then you can change that back to A. Because you always want a detail view, which in this case is a section view. You always want to start with the first one being A. And if there's only one on the page, it needs to be A. And so then we would click OK, and then we can position these however we want, which that looks kind of nice, being evenly spaced on the page. And the last thing we want to do is we want to make sure, place our center lines, click the select view, click our view, and it places our center lines in the proper locations. And that is where I'm going to stop with this example in the interest of keeping the videos short so they can be reviewed multiple times easily and only cover a small amount of information. We'll come back to this part and dimension this part to show you how it should be dimensioned. But we'll do that in another video. So we'll click OK here, and for now, that is going to be it. Okay, so with that, feel free to leave comments, questions, or suggestions, and or requests for future videos down in the comment section below. And I hope this has helped. Thanks for watching.